Hi, welcome to Ask Toyota Nigeria. My name is Adiola Adenipekun. On this program, we answer all of your questions as it pertains to how to drive and maintain your Toyota vehicle. We have a question from Bayo from Lagos, and it reads, "My car makes a screeching sound whenever I apply the brakes. What could be the problem?" Okay, Bayo, I'll provide answers to your question right after this break, so don't go anywhere. Welcome back. So to answer your question, Bayo, the complete Toyota Fortuner brake pad kit comes with 3 sub-kits. 1. The brake pad kit. 2. The anti-squeal kit. And 3. The fitting kit. It is recommended that all 3 must be replaced at the same time for optimal efficiency of the brake system. Fitting the brake pad and leaving out the rest or reusing the old anti-squeal kit and the fitting kit will lead to squealing and screeching after a short while. A similar condition of screeching can occur where the brake discs have developed a glassy or shiny and very smooth surface due to certain environmental and usage factors, during which the ventilation slots are clogged with dirt or mud. The solution to this condition is 1. Replace the full brake pad pack when due. 2. The brake discs will need to be skimmed, provided the discs are still within the accepted thickness. And 3. The ventilation slots must be unclogged. Have your brake systems checked at every service, as is done at all Toyota Nigeria Limited accredited dealership workshops. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you look forward to more tips from Ask Toyota Nigeria. If it's your first time watching, thanks for joining. Do click on the subscribe button down here and also turn on the notification bell beside it so you get notified every time we put up a new video. Until next time, bye.